That right there is a UAV drone. Isn't this a fucking FCC violation? Just many violations. Another constitutional violation. Another one from the fucking lizard family. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, I just uploaded an article about predictive programming being done by the cops. So they're in deep doo-doo down in Florida. And read this right here, this UAV Obama drone, this is another problem we got. You know what? I've been thinking about this. See, my targeting started in 2013 with Special Al Gore, and since the Obama administration, they ramped it up, and Trump had kind of leveled out, but it was still intense, and now I've got to deal with the Biden administration. Yeah, they're special. See, this is a nasty little fucking drone I'm looking at. It's really nasty. It's the Swissy. Yeah. And I've noticed that through these 3 different administrations, it's increased and increased and increased and it's increased. Yeah. It's a depopulation program by the Swiss Templar lizards and the 13 blood families. Hey, they eat people. Yeah. Yeah. Red, white, and blue, Orion. Yes, sir. I just happened to go to another targeted individual's website, and lo and behold, they had some breaking news. And I was like, damn, check that out. Florida got caught with the pants down using predictive programming, AI, FBI, CIA, GCHQ, DNA sequencing code, and then it all ties up to the Crown Corporation down to the Vatican. Like I said, this bitch was right. And then here comes the doctors. Oh, well, you're delusional or you're fucking schizophrenic and da 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 da. No, bitch. You're the fucking schizos. Investing trillions of dollars on green sustainability bullshit. Anyways, that right there off in the distance, this right here, is a drone. A killer satellite aimed at my fucking house. That right there is a threat to my well-being.